First of all, in this entire investigation, the government, any government, has no role to play. There are Supreme Court judgments that investigation, the concerned ministry or the concerned government cannot interfere in the investigation.
Yeah.
It only relates to transfer and promotion.
Yeah.
In the CBI.
Yeah.
Nothing more than that.
Yeah.
Second, this matter has been went to the CBI due to the order of the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yeah.
The advocate, the family advocate, is a topmost lawyer, topmost officer of this court, and therefore, if he feels there is some mischief, some understanding between politicians, government, definitely, I am sure he will approach the Honorable Supreme Court.
Yeah.
And the Supreme Court, Supreme Court will definitely direct the CBI to put out the status report.
Yeah.
Any politician in Maharashtra has no role to play, nor in center it has any role to play.
Yeah.
CBI updates never come. We all are aware of it. In the entire case, only 2 times there was a press in PIO report, a press statement from the CBI, and on 30th December, they replied to a letter of 5th July.
Yeah.
Somewhere in July, that letter was replied on 30th December. So all were quiet. CBI never gives update because it is not the police.
Yeah.
They work discreetly, they work silently, they collect all evidence, and after evidence is with them, they will arrest the accused. As I said earlier, and I repeat, let that Mumbai FIR be quashed. Till then, even their hands are tied.
Yeah.
CBI may have completed the investigation, but they cannot do anything. Even their hands legally they are tied.
Yeah.
Charge sheet has to be filed only in one case.
Yeah.
And whatever it is, law is equal to all, whoever the politician is. ED, if there is anything illegal, ED will issue notice. ED has issued notice to his wife also. She has been summoned. There have been instances. There will be no mercy to anybody. But whether it is investigation by Enforcement Directorate, Narcotics Control Bureau, NIA or CBI. No politician, government has a role to play. Nobody can pressurize the CBI, at least in this investigation, because it is a Supreme Court investigation. Tomorrow they will approach the Supreme Court. The family lawyers will approach the Supreme Court. What is CBI doing? And therefore, once this FIR is quashed, a little clear picture will emerge.
Yeah.
Then we can question the CBI. If the FIR is quashed and then the order is not stayed by the High Court for them to approach the Supreme Court, then after a week or two weeks, we can definitely question the CBI. What is happening in this case? When are you filing the charge? So till then, we'll have to wait. And don't trust the premier investigative agency. Have patience.
Yeah.